Hey guys, it's Margaret from Let's Learn to Sew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer darts from your pattern onto your fabric. What you're going to need is something to mark on your fabric. Make sure that it's made for fabric so you don't have to worry about it staining your fabric, a ruler, some scissors or snips, and then you'll need a straight pin. First thing you want to do is make sure your fabric is wrong sides together. We're going to take the pin, and this is the point of our dart. Up here are our dart legs, and we want to go in right at the point and go all the way through so that it comes out on the back side. So hopefully you can see that. Okay. I'm going to peel the pattern back and open up the fabric really carefully. Right where the pin comes out and goes in, that's where I want to make a mark. So I should be marking on both pieces of fabric. Okay. I'll lay this back down, making sure I line everything up. Then I'm going to take my snips, and right at the edge, the top of these dart legs, I'm going to snip through both pieces of fabric just a little tiny bit. You don't want to cut through your pattern though, and it doesn't take much of a snip. Go ahead and take the pin out, set the pattern aside, and here are the little notches that I made. I'm just going to make a little mark here to make them easier to see. I'm going to take my ruler, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my dart legs from the point to the notch. Do the other one the same way. Okay. Now I'm going to do the other side. There's my little notches. Line up the ruler. Go ahead and do the other dart leg. And then you can check it by lining it up. And as you can see, my pink line lines up with the pattern line. That's how easy it is to transfer your darts from your pattern onto your fabric. This process works the same whether you're transferring the darts onto a skirt, pants, blouse, whatever it is. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments section and I'll be happy to answer them. Coming up in our next video, I'll show you how to sew up a dart. If you enjoyed the video, I hope you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. And as always, be sure to visit letslearntosew.com for all of your sewing and pattern making needs.